Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today, 20th June 2020 is World Refugee Day, and as part of our awareness campaign, we, the Girls Islamic Organization of Goa, would like to bring to your notice the biggest humanitarian crisis of the 21st century. Every minute, 20 people leave everything behind to escape war, persecution, and terror. According to statistics from UNHCR, 70.8 million people around the world are forcibly displaced. Out of these, 25.9 million people are refugees. Half of these refugees are children. 41.3 million people are displaced in their own country, and 3.5 million people are asylum seekers. Now, before we go any further, let us see the difference between refugees, internally displaced persons, asylum seekers, and also migrants. Refugee is someone who fled his home and country because of a well founded fear of persecution, because of his/her race, religion, nationality, etc. It is not safe for them to return home. An internally displaced person is someone who has not crossed an international border but has moved to a different region than the one they call home within their own country. Migrants are mainly people who move to improve their living conditions, like for a job, education, etc., and it is usually safe for them to return home. An asylum seeker is a person who has fled their homes and seek international protection. Now, let us see what all this has to do with us and why it needs urgent attention. This is already the biggest humanitarian crisis of the 20th century. Countries like Yemen, Venezuela, Syria are at serious risk of being wiped out if not helped. And it is only now that we are seeing the increase in frequency as well as magnitude of how bad the climate crisis really is. Only now do we see the increase in floods, cyclones, hurricanes, etc. So the scale of human migration that is going to start due to climate crisis will test the limits of all national and global governance as well as international cooperation. A small insight into where the world currently stands with regards to international cooperation can be seen when we see that 80% of the world's refugees are housed by developing countries. The top refugee hosting countries are Turkey, Pakistan, Uganda, Sudan, and then Germany. It is not right that the countries that need help themselves are the ones helping others. This is why international cooperation needs to improve. So, as the youth of tomorrow is going to face the brunt of climate crisis as well as humanitarian crisis, what can we do? Firstly, start asking questions. That's how you educate yourself. What are your country's policies for refugees? What is it doing towards being better disaster resilient? Is it even doing anything? Secondly, play a role towards system changes. We need to insist on the future being the one that we want. Don't think that just because you're one small person that you won't have a system impact. Your change in thinking, your questions are the ones that will force change. Third, align with the Sustainable Development Goals for 2030. Look up the Sustainable Development Goals for 2030. There are like 17 goals. See which one best aligns with your career and work towards it. We have time till 2030 to achieve these goals. Fourth way is to use your skills to spread the word. If you are good at writing, sketching, graphic designing, use the skills to talk about important issues around the world. Fifth thing we would like to advise everyone to get into the practice of doing is donating more to charity organizations, volunteering more and being more present where you are needed. We would like to end by saying that it is normal to feel overwhelmed. Just don't be stuck being overwhelmed. We are in this together and it is each one of our duty to help save humanity in any way we can. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the strength to carry out good work and give us the reward for our work, inshallah. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum. Be safe.